Today we're out on Poplar Island, and behind me you can see 3 osprey nestlings. This is the charismatic fishhawk of the Chesapeake Bay. The Chesapeake Bay is actually home to one of the largest osprey populations in the world. You can find them nesting on channel markers, telephone poles, even right on the ground here on Poplar Island where there's no predators. Ospreys feed pretty much 99% of fish. You can often see them hovering in the air and then diving down to catch those fish that feed just below the surface. They have this one talon that can kind of come back and they can just grab the fish. And look at how big these are, maybe several inches across, and they can just whip that back and use it as a fish hook. Ospreys begin returning to the Chesapeake Bay in mid-March. They generally mate for life and will often return to the same nest site year after year. By mid-April, we usually start seeing between 2 and 4 eggs per nest. Then the chicks will hatch towards the end of May, and the nestlings will start fledging in late June and early July. Ospreys are a really good sentinel species for studying ecosystem health and change, and you can find them in some of the most contaminated areas in the bay. You can look at the effects of contaminants because they feed right at the top of the aquatic food web. Studying them, I think, really ties together the entire picture, understanding how the bay functions, even from a human health perspective. So it's not just the ospreys, but the water, the fish. Integrating these things together really makes the ospreys an ideal species to study.